Beetles might not be the first creatures that come to mind when you think of cool animals, but they are definitely worth your attention. These little critters have been around for millions of years and are the largest group of insects on Earth. Whether you find them in your garden, in the forest, or even in your own home, beetles are everywhere, and they play a big part in our world. So, let's take a closer look at why beetles are much more fascinating than we often give them credit for. First, let's talk numbers. There are over 350,000 species of beetles, and scientists believe there could be more waiting to be discovered. That's a lot of beetles. They come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny ones that are hard to spot to large ones that can catch your eye with their bright colors and unique patterns. The diversity of beetles is one of the things that makes them so interesting. They can be found all over the world, from tropical rainforests to deserts, and even in your backyard. One of the most impressive things about beetles is their role in nature. Beetles are incredible recyclers, helping to break down dead plants and animals. This process is important because it helps return nutrients to the soil, which in turn supports new plant growth. Without beetles, the world would be a much messier place. Some beetles, like dung beetles, even specialize in cleaning up animal waste, turning it into valuable fertilizer. Talk about nature's cleanup crew. But beetles don't just help the environment. They also have some amazing survival tricks up their sleeves. Take the Japanese beetle, for example. This beetle is known for its impressive ability to destroy crops, but it has a secret weapon. It releases a chemical that can attract other beetles to help. This chemical signaling is a form of communication that helps beetles stay organized, even when they're doing something as destructive as raiding a garden. On the other hand, some beetles have developed a more peaceful way of surviving. Certain species of beetles have evolved to blend in with their surroundings, using camouflage to avoid predators. When it comes to the beetle's body, these little creatures have some pretty unique features. Beetles are one of the few insects with a hard outer shell called an exoskeleton, which protects their soft insides. This armor is so tough that beetles can survive being squashed under pressure that would easily harm other animals. Some beetles even have wings hidden under their tough outer shell. When they're ready to fly, they can lift up their hard covering and take off into the air. This ability to hide wings is an important survival strategy, helping them avoid predators while still being able to move quickly when necessary. Beetles also have a major impact on agriculture. While some beetles are pests that damage crops, others are beneficial to farmers. For instance, ladybugs, which are a type of beetle, help control aphid populations by eating them.